Every OTT solution needs delivery. Let's face it, if your viewers can't see your content, then you've got a huge problem. But we all know it's actually bigger than that, because today people expect what they see to be delivered with no buffering and at the highest quality. Yeah, sure, our internet speeds have gotten faster, adaptive bitrate streaming is pretty much the norm, but with hundreds of different platforms now able to stream video, a good service has to account for all those different form factors, screen sizes, and other nuances that exist to drive us in the business crazy on a day-to-day basis. This is why Verizon Digital Media Services has always felt that the best experience is one that can attack each user on a one-to-one basis. Our Smartplay technology allows us to minimize problems such as buffering, latency, and poor video resolution so that content owners can be confident that their content is always delivered with the highest quality. Smartplay solves all of these technical hurdles through smarter delivery. Smarter delivery can mean many things to many people, but just by integrating the Content Delivery Network, or CDN, into the overall solution, it's already inherently smarter. Through the data we get back from Smartplay about each and every playback session, we're able to fine-tune the network to handle broadcast TV-like viewership numbers and scale. Most importantly, this requires no setup from the content owner. Forget dealing with complex CDN setups and configurations. It all just works when using the Verizon Digital Media Services platform. A simple example of an integrated, fine-tuned content delivery network includes our predictive requests. Our Edgecast CDN knows when video content from Uplink has been requested by an end user in any region around the world. In typical playback scenarios, a video player will ask the CDN for the first 6 chunks of video and then wait for the next request from that player to get the next 6, and so on and so on. This is really an outdated model, and Smartplay's smarter delivery accounts for that. When the first video chunk is requested using Uplink, the Edgecast CDN knows that, and it knows that it should go ahead and start pulling chunks 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on and so on. This guarantees higher quality to each and every user, especially when playing back live content. This is because our CDN is constantly requesting chunks well beyond what is coming from the client. The larger sized, higher quality chunks are always at the edge, waiting for the video player to ask for them, instead of only being fetched when the player requests it. This dramatically improves the quality of delivery for each and every one of those users watching that live stream. Customers have seen a 30% drop in rebuffering rates and 30% faster startup times. You just can't achieve that level of quality improvements without having a smarter delivery system. Every part of our CDN, from routing algorithms to hardware specs, is optimized to reduce latency and improve quality. The Edgecast CDN is purpose-built to deliver TV-like quality and individualized experiences to millions of simultaneous users on every screen. That's why we have spent hundreds of millions of dollars over the past 3 years upgrading and expanding our network to be prepared for the shift of broadcast TV to OTT. We have over 100 POPs located around the globe with over 28 terabits per second in capacity and a whopping 3,000 plus interconnects to last mile networks all over the world. You may think keeping an eye on all that traffic could be a problem. It's not. With our bi-coastal network operations centers, or NOCs, located in Playa Vista, California and Dulles, Virginia, we're able to monitor everything 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Teams in the NOC use our state-of-the-art, custom-built monitoring tools to make sure every blip is investigated and our network is always running as efficiently as possible. And if you have a problem, there's no charge to pick up the phone and contact our support teams. First calls are picked up within 7 seconds on average, and nearly 90% of issues are solved right there on that call. No aspect of the video supply chain can impact the viewing experience more than the content delivery network. TV-like quality streaming can only be ensured when real-time adaptive bitrate adjustments work in conjunction with a globally distributed CDN that delivers content to the edge and closer to each and every viewer. Thanks for taking the time to learn more about Smartplay and how it enables smarter delivery. Come back here next week to learn about smarter advertising with the Smarts.